The Redmi 15C is an upcoming smartphone from Xiaomi's Redmi series. While an official launch date for all regions is not confirmed, it is widely expected to be released in late 2025 or early 2026. Some reports suggest a possibility July 2025 reveal for some markets. Here is a summary of the expected specifications and features based on leaks and rumors. Expected key specifications: display 6.74 inch or 6.9 inch IPS LCD with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Some sources mention an HD plus resolution 720 into 1640 pixels, while others suggest 1080 into 2400 pixels. Processor: Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Generation 3 or MediaTek Helio G81 or G81 Ultra. RAM expected to come with 4GB or 8GB RAM. Storage: 128GB or 256GB internal storage expandable via microSD card. Rear camera: dual camera setup likely with a 50 megapixel main sensor and an 8 megapixel or 0.8 megapixel depth sensor. Front camera: 13 megapixel or 16 megapixel. Battery: large 5500 MHz or 6000 MHz battery. Charging support: 33 watt fast charging. Operating system: Android V15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS. Connectivity: 4G LTE. Some variants might support 5G as Redmi 15C 5G has also been mentioned. Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi, NFC, GPS, USB Type-C. Security: side mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock. Design: sleek design with ultra thin bezels. Expected color options include black diamond, Hawaiian blue, pink, mint green, moonlight blue, midnight grey and twilight orange. Other features: 3.5mm audio jack, FM radio. Expected price in India: the Redmi 15C is anticipated to be priced competitively in the budget to mid-range segment. Expected prices for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant are around Rs 12,990 to Rs 13,999. In European market, it could start at around €129 to €133 for the base 4GB plus 128GB variant. Important note: as of July 2025, the Redmi 15C is still largely based on rumors and leaks. Official specifications, pricing and launch dates will be confirmed by Xiaomi closer to its release.